Hi, I'm Olga, and today on Balanced and Tasty we're making an amazing Christmas dish, which is called Christmas ornaments. This dish is pretty simple to make, even if you just got a call and you're expecting guests in 2 hours. And if you have boiled chicken, or in my case turkey, you can make it in just 30 minutes and it's done. So let's start making our Christmas ornaments. For this dish we will need 4 boiled eggs, 6 ounces of cheddar cheese or any other hard cheese, 7 ounces of mayonnaise, large bunch of dill. If your grocery store sells only small boxes, get 6 of them because you really need it for the decoration. Sweet paprika, about 3-4 ounces of cashews. I use unsalted cashews, and large pitted black olives, probably 2/3 of a jar. Well, let's start making our Christmas ornaments. First, we're gonna cut turkey. Cut it in tiny little cubes. For this recipe, you can use boiled chicken. It will be pretty much the same, it's just I like turkey better than chicken, so almost all of my recipes are with turkey. Turkey has some amazing health benefits. It's just full of vitamins B, which is great for your brain health. It's also full of minerals like selenium, zinc, iron. It supports your immunity and thyroid function. So turkey is very, very good meat. So this is my choice. Make it as small as possible. It will be easier to make our Christmas decorations when the pieces are small. It goes to the bowl. Okay, so we're done cutting our meat. This is our beautiful turkey. Next in line are eggs. And I'm using this beautiful dill grinder. Love this thing, simple and fast. Eggs are going into the bowl with meat. Next is our cheese. We're going to grate it here as well. It's going very easily. I cut it in cubes before grating. It helps. So now just slightly push it. Here comes our cheese. There we go. Okay, we're all done with grating for now. Adding the cheese to our bowl. For my cashews, I'm going to be using this Ninja, also very easy to use. I have several pieces of Ninja, and it's always super quick. There we go. So now our cashews are ready. Ninja worked super quick. Adding them to our bowl. We're almost here. Now I'm adding about 1/3 of tablespoon of salt. I love pink salt. Some pepper. It's all your taste. And all the mayonnaise. So I just added the mayonnaise, but you can add olive oil, which I often do. Mayonnaise is more festive and Christmassy, but usually on a daily basis, if I make something like that, I add olive oil to it. I love olive oil. I add olive oil to pretty much everything, starting with salads and going to desserts. So you can add olive oil and it will be way healthier than mayonnaise. Which is a good mayonnaise with avocado oil is also a very good thing. Okay. Okay. So now we're mixing it. Well, it smells absolutely delicious right now. There are so many tasty and healthy ingredients. If you're switching mayonnaise to olive oil, add just 2/3 of the amount of mayonnaise because it will be a little bit liquidier. And you don't want it to be too liquidy so you can still form the ornaments with it. Olives just get cut into the small circles. There's a little bit of work here, but it looks very nice in those Christmas decorations. And of course, all of us know how good olives are for you. Olive oil and olives is just endless source of vitamins and vitality for you, for your brain, for your heart. And I will be adding olives to my bowl and give it a good mix. This is our final ingredient. Just giving it a good mix. This is pretty much our Christmas ornament paste, but tasty and delicious and very healthy. Now we need to chop our dill very finely. So we'll chop it because we need it for the decoration. And we'll keep these harsh parts because we also need them for the decorations. We'll leave that aside. The more fine the cut of this dill is, the more beautiful your Christmas tasty ornaments are going to be. Okay, there we go. And all this dill is going into this small bowl. And the second bowl gets filled with this sweet paprika. And now is the fun part. We're getting to make some actual Christmas ornaments. So we're just making small bowls like this. Kind of the size of Christmas tree ornament. And now we're dipping it into paprika. Dipping it really, really well. There we go. Next one. And let's go with some dill here. There we go. A little bit more round. There we go. Is that paprika or paprika? I grew up knowing that it's paprika, but I heard a lot of paprika, so please correct me if I am saying it incorrectly. Here we go, the paprika one. Let's fix this little guy. He's kind of like a little bit squarish. There we go. When I was growing in the Soviet Union, we didn't actually have paprika. We didn't have olives at all. Paprika was sent to us by our relatives from Moscow, and it was a very rare occasion for just some holidays. Of course, we had dill. We also didn't have mayonnaise. It also was sent to us from Moscow. Olives were so rare. We actually were making this recipe with prunes instead of olives because we never had olives in the Soviet Union. First time I tried olives I was probably 30 years old, and it was also my first time trying avocado, which I absolutely hated when I tried first time avocado. But now I love avocado. I can't live without at least one avocado a day. So yeah, we were making them with some prunes, and prunes look pretty much same as olives, and in a way it might be even healthier. Well, it depends on what you need more for your health. So these are our decorations. And now we're just making tops for our decorations. Just like that. Find the most beautiful olives in your jar. Not like this one, we'll have to replace it. The hardest ones, just so they can stay on the ornament. And just like that, put it on top. Just dip it a little bit, so it does look like an ornament. So there is just so much good stuff in this recipe. All the turkey, bunch of dill, eggs are great for your health. Cheese a little bit heavy, but there is not that much cheese in it. And just like that, our Christmas ornaments are ready. And these are not just Christmas ornaments. These are delicious, balanced, and super tasty. You can just eat it with some salad or spread it over the slice of whole grain bread. It's absolutely delicious when you try it. Thank you for being today with me on my channel Balanced and Tasty. Please try making these Christmas ornaments to impress your friends and family. And Merry Christmas!